Welcome to part 2 of our Bing PPC. So it's been actually about 24 hours exactly, and let's go ahead and take a look and see how we did here. Now, so far we're looking at about a 35% opt-in rate. Now this number is just slightly off here in lead pages, so realistically it's probably more of around a 30%, maybe 28% opt-in rate, which is really good for PPC. Usually your opt-in rates are going to be a little bit lower, but your clicks are also cheaper, and usually the quality is pretty good because it's very targeted and someone's searching for your opportunity. That's really good. I'm actually going to be testing another campaign with you here today, but I want to show you some more tips and tricks to tweaking your campaign. So in this video, we're going to focus on adjusting and tweaking your campaign. So I'm going to go over to Bing Ads, and as you can see, I did blow my budget really quickly at $5 a day. Sometimes it goes a little over your budget, but Bing will stop it as close as it can get. So my spend is $5.45. That's fine. I got 19 clicks out of that, so my average cost per click was about 29 cents. That's not too bad. It is going to go down over the day, so if it's a little bit high in the beginning, it is going to go down. So I'm going to go and look at the ad here. I'm going to click on ads first, just to see let's see which ad did the best. So what we want to look for is which one got the most clicks. We're going to look at the click-through rate and everything like that. So clearly, Make Money Online Fast actually got the best result. So we got 11 clicks out of that in about a 24-hour period. My average cost per click was 32 cents. Once again, this number will go down. My click-through rate, I usually want to get that over 1%. And my average position was 5.89. But it's too early to tell because I need to let this ad run at least for 5 days. Consistently on that $5 budget, and then basically go from there. Best business opportunity got 6 clicks, average position 8.66, and then these ones really didn't perform as well. As you can see, the click-through rate and everything, which is why it's down here. That really helps us know which ads are performing the best. So what are people actually clicking on? Right? Because if people are, want to make money online fast, then I want to give them an opportunity that's going to be talking about, making money online fast. So let's go to my keywords. We'll look at everything for 24 hours. My current bid is 50 cents. Here's an example. My current bid is 50 cents, and I actually only paid 24 cents per click. And so that's what it came out. And it's going to go lower as it continues. Make money. Once again, bid 38, so it actually met it pretty close there. So let's go over back here. And let's go ahead and create a new campaign. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Let me go back over here. So let's create a new campaign. We're going to test another offer. So we're going to let this run, and like I said, we're still going to be following along, doing the case study on this. And we're going to go ahead and create this new campaign. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to name this one. I'm doing a trial offer here. I'm going to test the trial. So we're going to do this Bing PPC trial. And once again, $5 is fine for my budget. We're going to switch this over to your time zone. For me, it's Mountain Standard Time. Once again, we want to do English, selected cities. Once again, I will go ahead and you can browse or you can search. Let's go ahead and search. We'll do Canada. Let's do United States. And then we're going to do the United Kingdom. Basically your tier 1 countries, right? So you can copy what I do. Now there are other tier 1 countries. I always just hit these ones. And there's plenty of traffic between those countries. So we got Canada, United States, United Kingdom, and what am I missing? Australia. So we'll just target both of these. And then I think I'm missing New Zealand. I'll go ahead and throw that in there as well. And if you want to add anything else in there that you believe is profitable, please do. But those are the ones I usually add on every campaign, are these ones. And it works great. It works perfect for me. So let's go ahead and save everything. Let's go ahead and create our ad title. Okay, so this one, actually, I'm going to be using the same landing page because I actually did perform pretty well. I was pretty happy with the results. And so when that happens, you can use the same landing page and connect it to a different offer. That's all I'm doing in this one. So let's just go ahead and do the same type of landing page. Let's go ahead and grab that URL. Once again, your destination URL changes, display URL. I'll go ahead and just put that out there again. And we'll make our ad title. Go ahead and do that. We'll go ahead and make money online fast because that did really good. So I want to use that one again. And, I'm going to try this is a free trial, so I'm going to be trying a few different things. And what was I don't know what my ad copy was on the other one, but we'll go ahead and do make $500 before Friday using this simple done for you system. And there we go. And I didn't even use all the ad text, but it's probably different from what I used last time. Once again, research keywords. We're going to go ahead and find words containing a word or phrase. And we're going to do make money online. Once again, going to really get that. We're going to click on online business, make money online, make money home, earn money online, make money fast, because that definitely goes with what we're looking for, making money online, ways to make money online. And then we'll click on add. Once again, my rule is, I don't want to really pay over 50 cents per click. So we'll go ahead and just move everything to where it needs to, where I believe it should be. So 50 cents max that you want to really do for your bid, as I kind of mentioned in the other video. Clear everything out. I'm going a little bit fast here, but there's one. I know I skipped some, so I'm just going to go through. All right, so just checking. I want to clear all that out here. And I think I got them all. So just trying to check really quick. All right, so that looks good. So I'll go ahead and click on save. We're just going to run with that this time. I know I added more keywords in the previous video. That's fine. I know what keywords we're performing anyways from looking at my previous ad. And that's the great thing is when you create your first ad, it gets easier to create your second ad because you start to understand what keywords you're actually bringing in traffic and then what offers you should be using and all that good stuff too. All right, so that should be running, and I'll have to keep an eye on that. And I actually made a new list in Aweber called Bing PPC Trial, and I'm going to go ahead and give you an update on that as well as we progress through these two campaigns. It's good. We're getting opt-ins from this. Like I said, only running 24 hours and already seeing opt-ins is absolutely awesome because it's good to get leads. Now we're just going to focus on converting those leads to sales, but you really need to get enough leads coming through to be able to convert those to sales. So we have to actually, like I said, that's why you have to let your campaign run for at least a week. Okay, let's talk about some more tips and tricks that you can do here in Bing ads. So let's go over here to here. One thing you want to do is you actually want to go to Bing.com or Yahoo.com because this is the network we're competing in, and you should search your keywords so you see what your competition is. So type "make money online." And you should be actually like clicking on these ads, click on these ads. Hopefully it takes you where you need to go and see what other people are promoting because these are paid ads. So that means other people are using PPC. And, most likely if they're at the top of the page, that means that, what they're probably doing is working. So, there's so many different sales pages and so many different ways to capture leads and so many different ways to sell your product. It looks like they're using just a written sales page. Now, I'm a fan of video. I prefer video. I don't like to read and all that good stuff, but they basically, let's see, they basically put out a layout of different ways. And they give reviews of different top 3 work at home program. So they use this blog type format, it looks like. So yeah, it's good to look at what other people are doing. So please do. You should Google or Bing, excuse me, Bing or Yahoo, because this is the network you're competing in. Make money online, and then there's some on the side. So everything highlighted is pretty much an ad. I guess there's people that are doing penny stocks too. So yeah, click on it and kind of see what you're working with. And surprisingly, some of this, it makes you even wonder like how they even get traffic for make money online. Usually, people looking to make money online are looking for, just a simple system. So that's why, make money online quick. Let's see what they have here. And this one is, taking it to Google Sniper. So that's a very popular one. And, if you're using a unique product or something like that, your own product, that really makes a big difference too. Work at home, no fee. So it looks like these pages are pretty popular, which gives you a good idea. So if you're running offers, you may want a long sales page if that's what's working for a lot of people. And so you just want to check your competition, make money online. It looks like, once again, it seems like pages like these are really popular. And let's actually try, like business opportunity. That was another keyword. Should be, getting all these different keywords and see what, what's going on. Sometimes these don't load. That's okay though. We'll go to Yahoo and we'll do the same thing. We'll just do business opportunity. And this is just you analyzing your competition, kind of get ideas. You should be getting ideas from what other people are doing. And some of these aren't relevant. Looks like this top 3 work at home. This one's really popular. I think I just went to this one. But I think it's blocking me because, it would be an invalid click, or they think I'm just clicking on a bunch of ads. And so that might happen. You may get blocked out from the network, which is fine. But and then you can look at the organic results too. So I'm going to go back to Bing and do that. I like Bing a little bit better than Yahoo. So I'll go ahead and just type in make money online again, because that's just a very high traffic phrase. And it looks like what really comes up in the organic way is a lot of numbers. So keep that in mind. 5 real ways to make money online, 12 ways to make money, 53 ways, 20 scam-free ways to make money online. So numbers are actually getting a high click-through rate. That's going to help me with my campaign. Watch this. I'm going to go back to Bing PPC trial. I'm going to go back to my ads. And I'm getting ideas from what other people are doing. My ideas are now flowing. Make money online fast. So why don't we create a new ad? And let's try with the number 3. 3 fast ways to make money. And if it's perfect, let's go ahead and save and create another. So, it looks like it's very simple ad copy. So yeah, the numbers were doing really well in the search engine. So just keep an eye on the ads and see what your competitors are doing. If you're not analyzing your competitors through Bing and Yahoo, you should be doing it on a regular basis. Try daily, try at different times, because the ads rotate. So if you go back to Bing and you do another search, you should see if other people are using similar pages to you, or if they're promoting the same offer. If you're promoting something really popular, then you may want to consider promoting something else if there's a popular offer. So make money online, is pretty it's pretty saturated, but there's a lot of these organic things that come up as well. And you can actually go to page 2 and page 3 and see as the ads change and rotate. Videos are coming up. It looks like a lot of survey type things. Those are out there everywhere. Make money now, $40 a day. So that would be a good title, make money now. So I could go back here and let's save and create another. So I just did and I have 2 of those. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And yeah, we don't need oops. Actually, all I have to do is edit it. So let me go back here, make this ad, enable it, And let me edit it since I have two variations of it. So let's do that. We just saw what we liked. Make money now. So let's try doing that here. So we'll do our title, make money now. Oops. There we go. Oops, almost fits. $80 per day. We'll do $80 a day. So we'll go ahead and save and create another. So we'll try and see what happens with that. So now we have make money online fast, 3 fast ways to make money now. And that's pretty much it. Let's see what happens with this campaign, and we'll keep an eye on everything. And be sure to research your competitors in Bing and Yahoo. And if you even want to, you can use Google to get ideas to see what other people are using for ads, even though we're only working with the Bing PPC. And so far, we've only spent, $564. And click-through rate 0.45. We're going to increase that. 3,327 impressions, average cost per click 38 cents. So our results are looking really good. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll talk more about campaigns. See you then.